Assalamu alaikum. Past continuous tense take question. Affirmative sentence auxiliary verb plus not subject. Negative sentence plus auxiliary verb plus subject. I was going to school. This sentence past continuous tense plus affirmative sentence take question wasn't I. Second sentence I wasn't speaking English well. This sentence past continuous tense plus affirmative sentence I know it auxiliary verb plus not subject. This take question wasn't I. You were eating rice. This sentence past continuous tense plus affirmative sentence. This take question auxiliary verb plus not plus subject. This take question weren't you. You weren't cleaning this room. This sentence past continuous tense plus affirmative sentence auxiliary verb auxiliary verb plus not subject. This take question were you. Third sentence he was doing the work. This sentence past continuous tense plus affirmative sentence. So we know that auxiliary verb plus not subject. This take question wasn't he. He wasn't playing football. This sentence past continuous tense plus affirmative sentence. So we know that auxiliary verb plus not subject. This take question wasn't he. Second sentence we were writing a book. This sentence past continuous tense plus affirmative sentence. So we know this sentence affirmative sentence it will be auxiliary verb plus not plus subject. So this take question weren't we. He wasn't playing football. This sentence past continuous tense plus affirmative sentence plus auxiliary. We know the auxiliary verb plus not subject. This take question wasn't he. We were writing a book. This sentence past continuous tense plus affirmative sentence. So we know the auxiliary verb plus not plus subject. This take question weren't we. Weren't were plus not make it is make weren't. We weren't writing a book. This sentence past continuous tense plus negative sentence. Negative sentence take question past continuous sentence take question auxiliary verb plus subject. They were visiting Cox's Bazar. This sentence past continuous tense plus affirmative sentence. Past continuous tense take question auxiliary verb plus not subject. This sentence take question weren't they. They weren't coming today. This sentence past continuous tense plus negative sentence. We know auxiliary verb plus subject. This take question weren't they. The past continuous tense take question today we learned take question plus continuous tense affirmative sentence. This take question auxiliary verb plus not plus subject. Negative sentence past continuous tense if it is negative sentence plus auxiliary verb plus subject.